Ora Na, and welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Upa Upa Tahiti. Today we are learning a special song because it's a birthday song. Actually, it's the happy birthday but in Tahitian. But there is nothing like the original that we used to. It's really completely different. Has a different melody, has different lyrics too. It's really special. It was written by a famous Tahitian artist named Hotahuta. So to play this song, we're gonna need 4 chords. It's really simple. The melody is simple, but you will see that it's completely different than the song we are used to sing. So I'm gonna show you those 4 chords, then we continue with the strumming pattern, and we finish, as always, with the play along. But for now, we're gonna tune our ukulele. So take your ukulele and tune the 4th chord. So the G chord, C chord, E chord, and A chord. Now that we are tuned, we are ready to play. Let's start. So to play this song, you will need the C chord. So you put your index finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, so bottom string of the 3rd fret, right here. Next chord is the G7 chord, so you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the bottom string, so the 1st string of the 2nd fret. So I repeat that. Index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and ring finger on the bottom string on the 2nd fret. The next chord is the F chord, so you put your index finger again on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and your middle finger on the up string this time, the up string of the 2nd fret. So I repeat that. Index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and your middle finger on the up string of the 2nd fret. Last chord we need is gonna be the C7 chord. So you just put your index finger or your middle finger too, it works, on the bottom string of the 1st fret. So that's it for the chord. Also in the description I put different chords to play the song, but for men's, for deeper voices actually. I know that those chords are a bit high for men, so in the description you gonna find different chords to play the song. So in the same order, you will see. Okay, so to play this song, we're gonna play it really slowly. So you're gonna need the following pattern: down, down, up, down, up, and you repeat that. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then you're gonna need to change faster at the moment, so like a half time and you will use this pattern to change between the chords. So each chord is gonna goes like down, down, up, and you change chord. Okay, now let's play along. MAHANA OA'OA, MAHANA FANAURA'A, MAHANA PUPU, FAATAU AROHA na ROTO te re te tumu i te pupu. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. And I will see you next time with a new song. Bye bye.